Guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm happy to be back guys, and I know you guys miss me. Wanna miss me? Or wanna don't miss me? Anyways, I'm here today to do a review clearly on another hair that I purchased on Amazon. So if you want to continue watching my videos, just click that subscribe button, share my content with your friends and your family. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about my YouTube channel, because guys, we're over here growing and we're serving all positive vibes over here. We are growing slowly but surely. So thank you guys for, clicking on this video in the first place. Thank you guys. So today I'm gonna show you guys, I've done a little investment, because clearly I don't know, I like to do hair, so anything that is gonna make the hair look better, I'm gonna buy it. So I did a few shopping, a few things, a few little things that I bought, and I'm gonna show you guys all of that. But of course, guys, me tell you now, when I see my face, me I struggle. I'm struggling with my face. So if you guys can just drop some things that you guys use on your face in the comment section down below, that would be great. I'm currently using I wash my face with a shea butter soap, and I'm using the aloe vera gel, to moisturize it. So it's not looking that dry today, but I've been experiencing some flakes and thing in the middle of my forehead right here, so them places here and then right here to get white, and I really don't know what the cause of it, but we're not pay that no mind. So let me show you guys some of the things that I purchased to make this hair, well, this video that I'm going to do now. I hope that it contributes to the good look of the thing. So I bought this hot comb, wig. You need a hot comb to lay the hair, and make sure it flat and all of that. So I purchased this hot comb, heating comb. So let's see. I actually pulled it out of the box for you guys. So this is the comb. This is it. It comes with a protective thing on it. This is it. I guess I can just clip it on when I finish. But this is it. And it came with two clips. Them two clip here. Them nice. Yep. Two clip. I guess to hold the hair when you're doing it in the back. So this is one of the things that I've purchased so far. And I also purchased this wax stick. This is what I'm going to use on the hair before I actually use the heat comb to sleek it back. So this did very important, guys, and them sell this so expensive out here. I actually purchased this for like $6, I think. $6. So for other persons who would like to get a wax stick, can go on Amazon and get yourself a wax stick. All right, so yeah, I bought these two things to help me customize this wig today to put on my head. So this is the wig, guys. This is the wig. It came in this package. Oh, and what's the brand here again? I don't really remember the ear. Oh, see it here. Silkyfeel. That's the name of the brand for the hair. Silkyfeel. Bag nice and stoosh. Come in this nice bag, and it's silk. The bag is silk, which is very good. So the hair brand is Silkyfeel, and it's 100% human hair. Okay, so this came in it. I guess this is just them. Thank you for purchasing the hair wig cap, because they're gonna need it. Hold on. Bag still feel heavy. Oh, the center lash. That's something else still in the bag. Them generous though. Oh, and this is the elastic that I'm going to put on the hair to keep the edges, to keep the lace down on my head before, right? To keep it. So, and this is the hair. Oops. As normally come in a they come on, the mesh is there, to protect the hair. These things come in the thing. This is the hair. It's actually a closure wig, actually. Closure. So this is how the insides look. This is the hair. And this is the lace. So I'm going to put it on my canvas and kind of personalize it, but I'm gonna take you guys with me, so not to worry. Okay guys, so right here what I'm doing is just plucking the hair to take out some of the excess so it can lay a little bit flatter and look a little bit more natural. So that's what I'm doing right here. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have on my wig cap. I have two cane rows underneath. I don't like glue, so I'm going to be doing this glueless. Glue to me kind of sound a little bit permanent, so I don't want to glue it because I want to be able to pull it off like real quick without damaging anything. So I do have my got to be glue, but as I said, we're not going to be using this today. What I'll be using is the got to be glue spray to, like, you know, hold it in place for a while, for the day, or you know, because I'm going, this can be removed easily without it tearing out my hair or anything. So I'm going to go with the freeze spray for today. All right, this is the wig. I finished customizing it. I give it the little middle part, center part, and I put some of my foundation under it to give it my hair color, so when I put it on, it don't really stand out. So yes, this is it. This is the hair. All right, so for me, I don't want to, you know, like the other girls, the professionals, they cut the lace while it's on their head. Well, me kind of afraid. So what I do is I'm going to cut the lace before, I'm going to cut off this lace before I put it on my head, so I can have a clear go at it, you know. So yes, this is the hair. Center part, and as you guys saw, I used the heat comb to flat it down and the wax stick. All right, so I'm going to cut off the lace and come back. Okay guys, so I came as close to the lace as I possibly could. So now, and I also tightened the back with these two right here because my head is small. It might look big, but it's small. So let me go ahead and put it on now. Let's see what's gonna go. Clipping down the sides. Oof. I know the back. It feels sturdy. It feels sturdy. And all these things. Yeah, my baby ear them gone. I'm going to try to do baby hair with it as well. So, yeah. Alright. I think it blend in really good. I think it blend in good. Wow. Alright, so let's see how this goes. Alright. So let me, what do I do? Alright, let me put the Got to Be glue on it. In the front. Lord, it's cold. Jesus, it's cold. And I'm gonna put the elastic on it to hold it down. Oops. The elastic short. Let me see how best I can do this. The elastic is short. Alright, so the elastic cannot be tied. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it on it for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Alright, let's see what happened. My hand tired. Whew. God damn. Well, there. Guys, I'm not even seeing where the lace starts. I think that was a good 3 minutes. My hand is tired. I wasn't timing it, but I think it's about 3 minutes. So I'm going to cut these edges. How do you think I must cut them right there? Guys, that was a good 3 minutes, I think. So I'm going to use the same Gots to Be glue spray and put it on these edges and hold the elastic band on it for the next 3 minutes or less. Let's see how that works. I'm going to have to wipe off my face and I'm finished. I feel like it's burning my eyes. Alright, I'm going to put back the elastic around it for our next 3 minutes. So let me just open up the elastic this time. So I'm gonna hold it around my head. I just remember that I have this headband wrap thing that I got when I put on my first wig. So I can actually tie it down and walk around a little bit or try to fix the top a little bit. Yes, I'm gonna put this on instead. I'm gonna put this around it. Hopefully keep it just the same. yeah. So see, let's see how this look when I take it off. So let me let down the hair. Let me let it down. Start to brush it out. It look nuffy. It just look enough for my head. Alright, so I'm going to draw my little eyebrow them and come back, and we'll see how the hair turn out in the end. So I soon come back. Alright. Okay, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and I removed the bun. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. I actually added some more condition and water to give it this little curly look, because I think it was looking dry before. And yeah, basically that's it. It made my face look fat though, but I think when I put it in the back, my face won't look so fat. But yes, tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. Did you like this hair? If you did, I mean, I'm going to leave the hair link in the description down below as usual, and you can purchase this hair for yourself. Yeah, so this is the end result. Take a minute to look again. I think I really did a good job with the lace part, because you not even can see where the lace start, and I think that's the whole idea, right? So this is the finished product. This is the end product. Yeah, and I'm not wearing any makeup, guys. I just went ahead and draw my eyebrows, because as you guys know, I don't have any eyebrow, so I have to define them every now and then for you guys to see. So yeah, this is it. I might just wear it to the back, but I don't get the idea. Center part. I might change this into a U part one of these days, but this is it for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, see you. Bye.